Hi, I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and today I would like to talk about the possessive pronouns. We have seen already a bunch of it in my mini stories from my course, and today I like to take a closer look. To see how I use mini stories to teach you German for beginners, just click on the first link in the description. Possessive pronouns indicate possession. Now let's see who owns the car. Auto. In German is neuter and has the article das in the nominative case. I use the color green for everything what is in nominative. So what are the possessive pronouns in the nominative case for a neuter noun? First we have my car, and in German you say mein Auto. Next we have your car, and here I'm just talking to one person. So in German you say dein Auto. Now we come to the third person singular. His car in German is called sein Auto. And its car, so the child in German is neuter, is sein Auto. But her car in German ist ihr Auto. So please be careful here, because many people take the wrong form. Let's move on to the plural. Here we say for our car, unser Auto. When we speak informally to several people, we say for your car, euer Auto. And for their car, we say ihr Auto. And as always, there's also the formal way of speaking. And here, your formal car becomes ihr Auto. And here you have to make sure that you capitalize the pronoun. So these are our possessive pronouns in German. But they must agree with their noun in case, gender and number. So let's have a look how they change. This is the same table as in my video about the German cases. And if you have any questions, feel free to watch this video again. Here we had an example sentence for the indefinite masculine articles. Ein Vater gibt einem Sohn einen Ball. A father gives to a son a ball. The nice thing is that the possessive pronouns behave like the indefinite articles. And therefore the sentence reads as follows with possessive pronouns. Mein Vater gibt meinem Sohn meinen Ball. My father gives to my son my ball. So this means that in the nominative case there is no extra ending for all possessive pronouns, but there is an en in the accusative and an em in the dative case. So mein, meinen, meinem. And the other possessive pronouns, they do the same thing. The neuter sentence was ein Kind gibt einem Pferd ein Brot. A child gives to a horse a bread. And with possessive pronouns we have the following. Mein Kind gibt meinem Pferd mein Brot. My child gives to my horse my bread. The feminine sentence was eine Mutter gibt einer Tochter eine Puppe. A mother gives to a daughter a doll. And with possessive pronouns we have the following. Meine Mutter gibt meiner Tochter meine Puppe. My mother gives to my daughter my doll. And in the plural we don't have an indefinite article, but we can use kein. For example, keine Eltern geben keinen Kindern keine Sachen. No parents give to no children no things. And the possessive pronouns behave like the indefinite article kein. So we have meine Eltern geben meinen Kindern meine Sachen. My parents give to my children my things. And here's everything again in one table. Definite article, indefinite article and possessive pronouns. And please don't forget that in German we have also a fourth case. It's called genitive. But it's not often used, and this why it's not part of my course for beginners. You see in this table a shape of a pot, and everything what is inside the pot does not change, but everything outside the pot changes. I hope you enjoyed the video, and that you don't miss anything. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and to activate the bell. I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and thank you very much for watching my video.